Welcome to this video, a numismatic journey tracing the Congolese franc through time. We'll explore its evolution from colonial coins to the modern banknotes, revealing the history etched into the nation's currency. Money often tells the story of a nation. The Congolese franc reflects its colonial history, mirrors its national independence, and shows its journey toward economic rebirth. The franc's history is divided into two distinct eras. The first franc spanned from 1887 to 1967. Following the Zaire era, the second franc was introduced in 1997 and remains in use today. The Congo Free State established the first franc in 1887. This early currency system utilized the gold standard, and its value was linked to the Belgian franc. The physical composition of the coins evolved over 70 years. Early mints stamped copper and silver. By 1954, the government had transitioned to aluminum. The mints also produced distinct French and Dutch language versions of these coins. Banknotes were introduced to handle larger transactions. The Congo Free State issued the first notes in 1896, with denominations of 10 and 100 francs. By 1942, a 10,000 franc note was introduced. After independence in 1960, the franc's value decreased significantly against the Belgian franc. This economic shift led the government to introduce the zaïre in 1967, where one zaïre equaled 1,000 francs. In 1997, the government resurrected the franc. One new franc replaced 100,000 new zaïres. This change was massive, as one new franc was equivalent to 300 trillion old francs. The second franc presents a numismatic paradox. It has zero circulating coins. Because the metal cost exceeded the face value, the central bank decided to print paper banknotes, even for fractions of a franc. Modern banknotes serve as cultural art. For example, a 50-franc note features the Chokwe mask and a depiction of a fisherman's village on the Congo River. An okapi head watermark is also embedded as a security feature. The currency also showcases national wildlife and parks. Different denominations feature animals like the elephant, lion, rhinoceros, and giraffes, connecting the money to the nation's natural heritage. The 2010 issue of the 500-franc note celebrated the nation's independence. The central bank issued 20 million special notes to mark 50 years of independence from Belgium. These limited printing notes are highly valued by collectors today. Comparing the two eras of the franc highlights major differences. The first franc used minted coins and notes, was tied to the gold standard, and featured European motifs. The second franc uses only printed notes, is a fiat currency, and showcases indigenous African art and wildlife. High denominations reflect modern economics. The central bank issued new notes in July 2012, with denominations reaching 20,000 francs. These notes include advanced security features, such as electrotype watermarks. The history of the Congolese franc offers a rich historical portfolio. The currency spans over a century of profound change, transitioning from colonial metals to sovereign paper art. This collection tells the definitive story of a nation.